Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? It's Scares here. And, I got babies. Look at babies. Look at the cuties. They're so pretty. They're all grown up now. We only got 3. We gave 2 away, so now we have the 3 sisters, and they're really cute. I especially like Brownie over there. It's very small. Baby, baby. Baby. Uh-oh, uh-oh. They got neutered. They got spayed yesterday. And they're fine. They're just chipper as hell. So yeah, get your puppies neutered and spayed when they're little. They don't care. They're so small. They just need some homes, which we'll pretty sure we'll be making sure. We saw one of them. We saw Speckles. We saw the fluffy brother. He's all speckly. Yesterday, we actually held on to him for a bit. So that was great. It's a nice little visit. The AC's pumping. And there's another spooter. Look at pretty. Look at the spooter. I'm going to touch the spooter. Oh, there he goes. Sorry, I'm scared of him. Hey, don't eat. Hey, stop. Don't eat the weeds. Hey. Get over here. Oh, they play. They like to play. They like to play. He's so small. Hey, digging puppy. Digging puppy. You can't be digging. You're too little. Too small. Oh. What's there? What's there? What's there? Look at the cute. So adorable. Look at them beautiful babies. Oh, they're so soft. They're shedding now too, which is funny. I forgot what I was making a video for. Oh, okay. So I gotta clickbait these puppies because they're really cute. And also, it's just an update. I never did follow through. I feel bad. I never followed through with the with that weekly upload. Maybe one day I'll get to. Hey, stop it! Nope. Don't eat the weeds. That's not the weed you want. That doesn't taste good. Doesn't make you feel good either. Oh, I know. I was gonna make a. Actually, because I was waiting to clean my room to find. What do you call it? I was waiting to clean my room to find the Pokemon type tier list. So I can actually the first talking about gameplay, video games, what have you, video going. And there's a black sausage right there. Lily. Pups. Pupperton. Baby, don't stop chewing on weeds. Look at the babies. Look at. It's just so small. It's barely bigger than a foot. Hey, stop eating. Don't eat the passion flowers. Those don't taste good at all. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. So I had, because I remember when I made that a while back, I wanted to do a video on it, the Pokemon type tier list, and it's not good, and I actually remade it a little bit, and I edited it. It's not too different, but there's some big chungus. There's some changes and a new rating system. If I can redo it again, just make sure I get the final, ultimate, perfect form. The final copy. Puppies. Brownie, stop it. I know. There you go. Stop! What the? Get out of there! Hard-headed. Come on. Brownie, come here. I'm gonna go back inside. I just ate some dinner. It's a spooky man. It's a spooky man. Look at the babies. Look at all these sausages. Stop eating the weeds. Stop it. Stop it. Move. And inside. Everybody inside. Come on. Let's go. Hey, yeah. Gotta... Yeah, my aunt's gonna be coming over to... Or she's gonna start living here in the back... Or, no, over there. She got an RV. Which is interesting. Anyway, hopefully I'll get that type tier list soon. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.